Moshe kanjani bathini disemotweni Paula sinyagang ichill sisembolweni Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emotraining All the Time. I'm your boy Lois Stacks, and today I have a very special guest, and he goes by the name of Tizo Street Beats 808, but I call him Street Beats Masambi. Hey, what's up, Manu Grenta?
Yeah, Grenta, Kiswami, I'm Grenta.
I'm good. Thanks for coming to my show. And by the way, I'm not selling lean, but today I had to drink some lean, dog, because the OG said, no, man, nan selitwala show, selieza, and it's winter, so we need some cough medicine.
Yeah.
Need some better man.
Yo, say 15 rand.
Yo, hey, kumbo. Hey, 15 rand.
Hey, 15 rand.
15 rand laser is half yon.
No.
Say full thing.
Yeah.
I remember like 15 rand things was hands.
And I think like not supply where out as Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Last time we were busy now, and then like the outside time we tell Guyo, the bags. Is like 100 rand bags. Yeah, wait. So first time taking package, taking 100 rand bags, and then taking my ears.
Yeah.
And then we sit in the studios record like whole day. I can't house Guyo. But I promise monga weekend car.
I remember the time when Salilin, I didn't like it because Binens and Kafe like. But no Indians are come back. Like, is it addictive? You just like born tanda how it makes you feel.
I think so. I think in the tanda the way Mnandens and feeling more than Uchwala ends and too much. So
and the stop killing.
Yeah, so
I do a lot of crazy.
And up your own funny no ban and you need to be no Uchwala. Yeah. And second say
cause naive I'm now born like Nens and Jen become Nezoliam Chokam Nani makes you relaxed. But yeah, like straight to you right now. How did you become Street Beats, and when did it all start? Did you start rapping before or did you start making beats? Like how did it start?
Hey machi, like also bongalo ndiqale ukwenza beats lawo yabo.
Yeah.
Qale no selector.
Yeah, that's select.
Selector is my best friend yabo. Nguye onifundise like yonke like Fruity Loops.
Yeah.
Wenziwa njani, qala phini ndona, and then like we started the way so itu yabo. So wanibonisa yonke la way, and then datibana ke kunala majito mabheka uMarvelous.
Yeah. When was that on? What dibana, like when did you start? Like what year was that?
I choose uSelector ditibena year 2000 sidancer
2000.
Yeah.
Khumbula napha kwabza dance
la. Yeah, like kela xesha sikenza music. So ditibene naye ngela xesha dance naye. Yabo. And then
so asa story.
Yeah.
Ngabili mluzanga wa dance kule area.
Yeah. So and then after 6 years, which is 2006. And then I came up with a plan. By same feature. There's a guy to his site who gift, and then who gifting like I record opera nomzuko sis noma somi or sis chisa.
Yeah.
And then I said to him, in the end the guy I choose, if ever snow glomchita, so tibana na lomchita stengsel izinto like into zo record and then we can start something. Hey manjani wathini, and then sathe no sister andithi mos dance.
Yeah.
So sister sincokole naye, and then le mali yothenga izinto funeke siyidancele la we kwaye si like senze izinto yabo.
Yeah.
So
like sisinore wanthethelela ba man.
No kaloku fumaniseke le uyijonga funeke siyisebenzele la ubola umzala anipanisha bawukheni zayifumana le way part funeke niyisebenzele yabo. So every Sunday sasiye samasdance dance apha yabo. So every Sunday go sister mana ngosikhuphela 50 rand ecaleni because ugift I think was charged 280 for everything.
For everything.
Yes.
Maybe it was a lot that time.
Fruity Loops, into the recorder, into the masterisha, everything like full package, and then go sasi yai pen city like penna from ku la way penna and libela way.
I remember.
Yeah, it's always a computer. Yeah,
like,
so TV ala way. Yeah, it doesn't mean that you see always as a pa. So sakalisa ke and then upudroni stepfather skas for hila.
Yeah,
is wenza music from Dala from the 70s yabo. So nguye umuntu wayemane ngosibonisa phana phaba ikuse man kwenzeka okunoku yabo pattern apha i-chords zenza olhlobo niyenza wrong le way yabo and then usakhula nayo. So that's when mina apho ngiqale khona ukwenza beats. Marvelous nimaze lapha
yena
uplayer ngamazi,
okay,
uTenor Smoker ngamazi, uzweka ngamazi, kubani
the crazy
pricing ndio umncinci ubhonono ngalapha. Yeah, so ladibana ke ukuna after ixesha ke ukwenzeka whatever yenze kule Alligator yabo, then yophuka Alligator yabo. Alligator he was a production or a record label.
Yeah, lapho
wom
dala ngakho.
Yeah, ile record u Marvelous u one man record.
Okay.
Ama Groovers ondakuthanda record X Nato where you at record o MD Sen bonga baba.
I used to remember khumula lamaxesha like bone like Alligators I color like thanda color on like a sound. What okay now Ashton like thanda color on the like on the sound.
Sure.
So you say like what dibana no Master Marvelous after like
mabheka ndibene naye phana yini because ufike phana yena yama no nomchito kuthiwa nguSimon. Rest in peace to you.
Okay.
Yeah, Capatina though.
Oh, okay. The Capatina la.
Yeah. And then no nomchito kuthiwa nguDise.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, babe rapper phana ke bona but mabheka always mabheka yena wayene vision yakhe yedwa yabo ba okay he wants to be Master Marvelous.
Yeah.
Yabo.
So
after into Alligator then saplana nomabheka oh no diyenda dibana nenye out ekuthiwa Maslake umkhulu waka Crazy
nobana yazi Rotman
so uMaslake wayicula naye ekudala la wayicula no player ngadibani ngalaxesha nawo.
Yeah.
And then after ke igezile uMaslake pha eAlligator sagxothwa sonke phana and then uMaslake wafumaniseka nobana ha manje nayo computer pha kum yabo
asiyenze ngokwethu
man let's start something pha phezulu uyeke uba because uzawusoloku ku under ishadow kasifuyile phana which is uselect yabo. So I was like hey man nyanisile lo mjito let me go man oqala into yami yabo then uselector no one supporter na wanika ipacks wanika nezinye izinto yabo ba okay ama nazi lezinye beats yabo nazi that's when ke untibana khona no play.
I see.
They no play like they were young. Yeah.
So okay, ngathi jo siyakhawuleza.
Okay.
How did Ileno like how did the H Swaggerless how did that form like ile group ni formisha uthita ngayo?
Yeah. H Swaggerless I formisha kanjani ngohlobo lenobana uMaslake ngokesithi kumune computer pha umnandi oqala into yami ngodibana naye plus no Blair plus no Sam which is uTenor Smoker.
Okay.
Ozweka I don't know him. Mabheka uMarvelous I know him for a very long time from Alligator.
Yeah.
They don't know that I know Marvelous. They don't know that I know uCebzoro, uX Nato, uMD Send, uTranquil uYangvi. Bonke mana babantu bona bebakhulu ngelaxesha.
Yazi abantu jonga bebekhulu ngelaxesha like I used to know some names what X Nato lawe. Yeah. I don't know the other names though. But
so uplay used to come the kasisnura yobona ke PlayStation kusivuyela way game. So sometimes nandibana naye pha, sometimes abona amaye majita pha yabo ocebo nobani. Uplay wayazi ingoma zama Groovers from A to Z, especially uCebzoro.
Yes it was.
Like uplay wayazi lyrics zika Cebzoro from A to Z. And I was like, hey, why unandikele we ngoCebzoro? Nento did fanini uCebzoro uhlala phe woma like wow. And then he was like, no. And like wayicema ndiyaxoka mina ba ndiyabaza uCebzoro nobani. And then I was like, no aba bantu bazawuza apha sibana wari. Until Marvelous wafika pha. Then Marvelous wafika kwakhe phana. Hey choose wami hey anqina nindoni it's been a long time nindoni.
Yeah.
I think besidibene ngezolo. Then amxela bandiphi yabo. So wafika pha. Fika kwakhe pha umameli beats. Immediately wave beat kaBhekile yabo.
Yo.
So la beat kaBhekile I beat your play.
Ayenza kuba la beat.
Yenzo ndim.
Yo. Clean a legend. Clean a legend. If you're talking, I mean like that song deserves a Grammy, dog. I don't know what. But yo, Shake. Who will up there tell me it?
Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I join. Like I think it beat yam yokuqala liyana juice.
Yo.
Yabo ewe beats lizenzile pha alligator nje but zangasetshenziswa but phana like ibeat yami yokuqala liyana. And then nazo ezi oplay bone I think they were sleeping on it yabo the beat. And then they were like some like a beat is 10 so 15 years yabo and then they were like yes yeah no stibene ngoku yabona and then everything is happening but like akayafika one time Marvelous. And then he was like, yes, he beat Kabani. And I was like, how many beat Alamachita? And he was like, no, he beat Hamley now. And then I was like, okay.
I see.
I know about that one. And then I think some 1 day or days after what did Alamachita Amakrovas. Febzoro, Exnato, Usnezo Bab. And then they cooked the song. I Chonga rhymes. Chonga the
track I listened to it like maybe a month back. Vives can I born nje ko YouTube. And search about la rashes no. Avela la track like been search no Master Marvelous and all that stuff. Avela la way. But under any page and the views too much and like go la Master like Shaky Bhekile la there's a page on YouTube right now.
What?
In the views, no been 53k views la la track phana. Ku Master Marvelous, cebzo like listeners nzazi ngezinye la way but oh my yo man it download la bini mamela it's lit.
You know what?
Negisho ngeart
ukhona umlando wakuthonga Iris asicula naye. Iris uthi and you mean yo nina ningabethwa nenoba kusegino kanye qonqa pha.
Yo
ningabethwa pha nina abantu nofika because phana ukho abantu abalewe yini like abantu abazibiza ngamagama yini ukuthizo kukuMarvelous kuplay kukubani na abantu banemoto so nina abantu nofika pha kuzathi niyaxola what
ngxaki jona I won't lie even the lady die Master Marvelous Thizo like everyone right now was about hey do you listen to rap because they will say Master Marvelous na Thizo that's the like Master Marvelous and Thizo like so did you rap before like
yeah I had a deal
that comes after he producing though
because ngela xesha I had a deal nizi ngela xesha sekufonyiswa ke Ace Wekelas yabo so ezike ngihama ntsonga ezbeat zakho sawusebenzisa zona full time and then ineza kwenzeka nawe uzawungena apha urap yabo if ever ba okay ndoni uzawubhalelwa futhi nekhona ibithini yabo and I was like okay konqaki and then zange nangimile one ibhalelwe because I think none rapper before the dance bar because none rapper no Qemu no T-Waits no Exaro
yo ta Exaro
sasi group AR squad yapha dancing god so sasi rapela pha dancing like si perfecta I skills kasifuyile se beat making like yabo like lewe bana sabonza beat ni record yabo sibona bakuphuma ntoni so ayinile we
that shit
so I choose thina sasixhoma I thenge microphone like I headphones ezazinala mic so phako switch sasixhoma pha i1 microphone ijonge ukuthi ezansi pha ikonini yendlu phezulu selingini then ke u1 inandika headphone so leya microphone lena zinto zomamela nje inandika sound so kawubetha
ujonge isilingi yo hacho that's some tough time
and volume microphone high ithatha kwano beroom ithathe kwano so which is ngela xesha phone nxa urecorder
thula wongomuntu nominxa nakungangqolo naphandle la yes
so
you come from tough times la
ajusi we laba
but ngithandile la we kubona like ibonakele ba like yo you wanted to do this shit like from a young stage and uyithandile like so awuyithandi you'll do anything for it.
Yeah, I mean,
even for a bitch, you do anything for a bitch that you love, bro.
I think you know, like, kela xesha juice, kuko like, yabo uluno.
Yeah.
Ne geniuses. Kabona bona machita like I think mna like bavule indlela line mqala like every day lono le.
How do you mean though?
Uluno kaloku bana itrack ekuthiwa ngushukumisa yabo yakudala. Eshukumisa. Luno he was very young ngela xesha. Leader yala group ngela xesha. So sonke lo ngela xesha siqomba yes. Who the fuck is this?
Boni yenzeka.
Yeah. Yebo and then kwathi gqoko phele ke ngonosisi noma somi nobani yabo. Nani babethe zawo izabo la album. It's a fucking classic, my
I need to listen to that album. But I used to hear about La Maclash when I was deep in the Bona Kasi and I know the scenes.
And then we were like, yeah man, who is this? Kubano behind the production yongele way because abantu basound grand, abantu basound like a Gauteng
professional.
Who is this? And then Uthando, there's a nigga nanema naye kuthiwa Uthando. Yanxila manje Uthando too much ngiyabo.
Yeah.
Uthando noqholi. So nguye umuntu wanibonisa ugift bahlala eFran kuye by his side. Efoni ngugift lo busy naba nangu gift. Xa nisithi apha kukho Ondura, Oluna G, Oluno, OG Styles. Bonga mana abantu yabo ophele nobani yabo. But igroup yayila uyayilithisha ngela xesha
ba. Genesis.
Yes, no phele. Yabo. So we were like, okay. Hey man, the way it grand, but Tina sifuna ukwenza another sound.
Hip hop.
Yes, not this Afro
type
reggae type bayenza yabona ugift yabo. Tina sifuna ukwenza because Tina nosifile we are listening to Rick Ross.
Yeah.
Yabo listening to pieces ga Lex Luka.
Yeah.
Listening to Southsides, listening zonke producer yabo.
So
ngela xesha sifumanisa hey man, le sound lamachita ireggae Afro no yabo igrand for ophele yabo mabayenze bona if ever Tina sifuyile sinothi le sound entsha apha i30 south sasili30 south asibiza basinothi qine 30 south phone in like 808 like ikick and the bass eninzi nendoni then
and nobody was doing that at that clash.
No.
Nini Khar man.
And then after ubhekile ke ngoku sa produce uMakshube qale phayo ngelana.
I wish I can have these songs like but
and then
after that
ngami xesha man ayokoluka lamajita yabo kwakho back 2010 suyile no Marvelous bonke basehlathini so we are planning apha baye man izawuthini into buya kwini yabo mafuna senze an album ayikho lena and the name of the album izaba ngo 2010 kamani siyabuya leyo.
Yeah.
2010 I choose it's a classic album. The 8 Swogelas.
8 Swogelas.
South upa legendary upa reggae ngoma reggae ipa gospel song ipa we want in zonke manje ngoma zibezinsuku yami za 8 Swogelas ipa la album.
Where can you get the album now, Grootmans? What's the go?
You know indenzekayo ngela xesha kwenzwa Tina kuthi sithi senze album but senze ingoma sizikhuphe.
Yeah, nizikhuphe xa
sigcwale oma sigcwale lokushini ubone kubela way and Tina besiyazi nobani if ingoma sikhuphe oma izagcwala.
Yeah.
This strategy sense la. Like strategy say to be says if ingoma sikhuphele ngeBluetooth okanye ngazi MP3 yahambe isayinikezele ko mix it ngela xesha nendoni ngamngiwe
sukile asikhona kuza trend that I am ngoma zenu senze mess la cause mina like at that time like most benganazi like bendinazi nje amagama like ubona qoma like yazi nje igama ne but if nombona lo mji wouldn't know bangibani la cause ngifuna emabholweni so ngingakhola we ekase lawe but I would hear ingoma zenu soloko xa kungena uMaster Marvelous beat ya slower down bone la xesha la feel like now zawukhona la maxesha like uTatizo zawukhona kwezo tracks
I choose Master Marvelous mina there's no ayikho like era yakhe engekho kuyo in terms of music
right now busy ngebeats right now
busy ngebeats right now yabo but ngoku bekena inspiration nguluno kanjani yabo uluno ungifaka ekonini la wena man tell ngabuyela emikini endoni because bekena bethe ezinye melodies pha kuye yabo Kwame funa imthenga ngabuyela and I was like man dot man I don't know man so I think KBC naye benumxelele ndifuna uba busy naye ngaloo leyo pha kuye yabo xa bizaba into ebu surprise anyana la bengafuna thetha ngayo I don't post no man it's just that bana bengafuna uyipost or something yabo I don't post too much yabo into like ezifana nezola we okanye into ezifana ne
asuzenze lawe zibonakele
zivele zibonakele
but on the next one like so like how did the names come about like street beats banothi ba okay when did you realize ba mama ndisibiza street beats like bungibani before Thizo
Thizo
ligama lasekasi
Thizo Mphiwe Marvelous
I see
it's a nickname from igama lami
what's your real name
Toban so umabheka wandibiza Thizo I bengayithanda la uyajuice because umwe le sound ngabe igama le Peter sometimes ngo and muzika lamaxesha naye usuka kwezando zamataliyane nendoni qele ntwana kanjani Thizo ngo kanjani okay no that nalamkela yabo Street Beats Mphiwe Marvelous
naye same thing
I yena unewe man yo create amagama yabo no creative malamchita
I see been searching like I was searching on Google and ndabona like a picture yeni FTA gang at club pictures ayinguwe no Master Marvelous no Double yabo like that was before like crazy yena when does he come in
crazy ngela xesha yena that's the era yena fika ngalo because ngela xesha eswekela yohlukene yabo after whatever yenzekile eGauteng so sabuya man sa record sathina and then sohlukane
you mind telling us what happened eGauteng later or
jeez
stay good
it's a long fucking story
stay good can you make it short kalokho
no man
I heard something
yabo saya kwenye intwana pha eGauteng and then le out kokusavuza nobana siya kabekele siya kugigi ayo pha so siplug ngumntana then siya phana sifike phale out man le way lena is gonna take ixesha nentoni ukuze yabo ibe grand kwathini
kodwa senile pha
yabo kodwa sesipha le ntwana utheni ungasixelanga lento sicela basiyeza nentoni yabo so we had to come back oloshobo but egqibeleni phana into yayimandi le bana ngosisiya phana sidibene uWHP wayize up yawoma pha kwaye pha ku switch sipha and then samamele umculo wethu and then it was like okay sawudibaneni phambili kwathini but he never knew into bana siyaphana thina so ngosiphana and then some usifile wamfonela
means connection
and then ke ngoku accommodation waswaya ngokwakhe samcacisela bo amjita wasicebisa into eyiwana juice ba amachita umna anzuthi anzuniqhatha nthini
ngembona real time
wayese roomini kasibile
yo bro
no uWHP ni uza apha juice because of uBhiza uBhiza kutaka poza kunyuma iblore esikhula kuya eArean J Street yabo so uBhiza wephangela kaPhembari indawo etourist and then phana kaPhembari kukho lewe kukho esebhizi kuthiwa ngulongu top left mo
short left
so short left une gig ke I think no Phembari ba uPhembari makathethe artist azise kwezindawo yabo yoxhunywa ibhambi jamming
zawo
So that's when unanika ubhiza hamba khona dibana khona uWHP. uWHP uhamba no Casper.
Yo.
Plus no Casper akaculi ngela xesha.
Yeah.
Plus no ngibala umnana kanini? Bonanga. Yeah, naye wayepha. So ubhiza ina yenzayo ubhiza everywhere mosapha hamba khona yabo. Ungume blurry always. Yeah. Yabo bawudibene Torisa phesheya uzazincokolela yonke into ngeAfrika. Yabo. And then ke ukuze end up
zibaseleka nazo la
yabo ziyohlala pha kuye endlini zilale phana zithini. So lamachita ayenda pha esenza londo ayolala pha kubhiza. Aya pha endlini ngaphi kubhiza uhlala pha eforest. Yabo. So zaya phana zona. Now ubhizi nayenzayo ngoku WHP bebhizi phana ebhambe jamming nendoni. Uthatha ifone yakhe mamilisa lendwana bayikuse wanela skule lapha ekazi skule lapha ingoma eswakalazi bayikuse mamela lapha lengoma mamela lapha man khakhaba mamela lapha
lengoma
so Casper naye mamela kwakhe ngoma man ngobani aba xa ubhizi amani ngama out amanga nenuni ujeba xebuya pha ubuya ujeba lendwana imamela usujeba mamela babantu fonini
ubani
yabo ujeba yebhiza ngobani abo ubhiza amanzi intwana ubhiza kayoyanga lendwana Lendwana uCasper yona ifuna ubala weba nanu yaphapha lawo ubhiza qo efuna ikhame wena ndifuna uthetha no WHP mina na umna nathetha naye apha yabo so ubhiza ke ngokulandwana yathi yona ifuna uchaya ujeba yabo and then ke ukwabazochaya eVillage so ubhiza lapho ke ukafona khona bayithe ndiyeza ngiphethe uWHP lapha eVillage xa sachaya nje izolo apha ndiyeza qoba thina and I think that's recording ingoma ekuthiwa ngushake that ass yeswakela
nawe
qoma ikusekhame mayime londo le futhi akhuthe from the vault you inengaqhelwayo yabo ngoba uzijeba kaneta that night kaneta ajuza masima amiza ubhiza ngala BMW yathi iqela out yo na uTembela wangena pha room ngasuye twadlala ingoma sadlala ingoma lapho yanqwala yaphuma awumethu injozi
injozi
angena phakathi usisinori ke unaye sela we ubone ke hagwana ke noBuroni naye haga yasathatha ifoto sonke man bona beka phansi la so ke ngosifika pha eGauteng sayithatha hano ya grand naye yabo saya sinandika yasa accommodate yathina yasixelela nje nina azonibhanqa yabo buyelane ewom otherwise ixesha lenu alikabili loyo
ne
andikabe ready
for ijozi la
so uhlobo ngani izabethakala apha kabuhlungu umnaye suggest nobana ndibuyele home and then phana nizawubona phana nizazifumana phaba what indone nifunayo kanye yabo and then xa ingqondo yenu iready na xa nini ready physically then your offers are producing and the opportunity niphumele
see
yabo
so because mna ndava sinye story la but ke maybe that story so iva on the next episode.
What story?
I heard a story about uTamasta la the story where kuthiwa naye pha eJozi and he fucked umnana ka WHP. That's the story. That's bone that's kuthiwa like H2 ya break up because of that. Room and Ivekazi to like I went to Jozi to meet to WHP and then Utamasta fucked WHP's kid and then Nachigi is so Rodman cleared it out but like being a younger park with WHP but since they were there bone bamtacha man can you just bone dollar for us
mistakes and the guy yabo WHP simfonela eJoburg because of sise Bloemfontein now ngosise Bloemfontein umakazi kaZweka nguye umlobeza accommodator pha kuyendlini now umakazi kaZweka I think unamantombazana abantwana abangamantombazana abayi 2 or 3 yabo now umakazi kaZweka afile inobana no fucking way
abanwana ba
yabo no fucking way azizukwazi isiganga no man nah
uyicinga le way seni ba okay ni sendleleni
la and then ke ngoku phone insayithini ngokulento le phone like sisaplumandenzi weka sawuthini ngoku into ngoku hey fondini
mizuzu ngoda
mizuzu zweka ilongo fondini awudabawona ntoni
Dapsi
okay no way konbitheni maqhutyela siwe phambili so ujeba asiyikuye akayazi yena basiya phayisha eGauteng
yeah
uyabo akayaza Juice
asi
uyabo nawo ke ngoku lo mntana usplagayo uyabo i-ex kaMarvelous
yo
uyabo akayingomntana kanandika ayingomntana kaWC ngumntana walapha eBhayi ka mama ke uhlala eGauteng
asi
yabo so ke lo mntana ke wayohlala eGauteng ngexesha then wadibana lantwana pha fonini ekumula competition lesasikuyo yiHansa Festival Hansa Pilsner Ndondoni awuyazi lo
nanzazi la wena
khona ni competitions sasikuyo yiHansa kwakufuneka if saswine isazi finalist abo saswinina sasayo perform Orlando Stadium uAsha wayephasa savulela uAsha pha
that was a competition like that what year was it
wengupana unyaka lo yo ayingo 2013 na 2012 so into zinjalo ne into zinjalo yabo kwakuyi competition enjalo sasikuyo thina sijike ku semi final ka Metro FM
mizuzu da
we had an interview ka Metro FM sa flyer for one day
like okay yabo fast forward even today you're still like sometime like nyaphuma like hlamni eJozi la and all that stuff like as a crew like but like do you have a manager like who's been there like are you making these moves by yourself okanye like
Juicy olhlobo ngalo
ni hustlisha nyani does la
olhlobo ngalo Juicy akho manager there's no one yabo it's a collective effort
yabo
if ever ba okay bani udibene ne connection ekonini elithi ba okay makiwe nawo nethilo ngexesha elithile then if igengi iyabomba hamba le opportunity grant then sayithatha yabo sikhwela kuyo otherwise akho mntu okuthina sasilabo yathuzange thina sibe na manager zange thina sibe namntu only ubhiza qha because ubhiza naye wayiRoadman since eRoadman yapha ku Mary nabo so wayithanda yapha ku Switch and then uSisinoro makasifile bayazalana ngeziduko so bathathana as brother and sister
so fast forward like la Russia izinto what's your side of the story like how did la Russia izinto start in your side from like your story maybe everyone has a different story but
Russia izinto iqalwe nguLuno noMarvelous Juice
okay maybe like ngiyabo into abone ringa ne
like iqalwe ngunantika Marvelous no otherwise into lena ebebefuna kakade yabo kwangela xesha thina si FTE because ngela xesha si FTE si record pa Marvelous
FTE nguwe no
team nguplay ngu Marvelous
no Crazy
is Crazy
becula ne
story sakhe uCrazy come and tell the stories ka Crazy Crazy ngowapha kum yabo ezibabe nditshilo masilakhe i-cousin yakhe yabo I mean ngowapha like ngumkhulu wakhe so i-cousin yamasi so ngabapha kum so he thought yena since ndi-producer and then ndicula noMarvelous and then yacula and yena becula no
bengathi beku 0.8
nguye nguThuspa nguZuku sandiyazi nabani so aze kum yabo lentoni yabo kodala ngoko ndifuna urecorda even recordile kangoneno ndikho group kwathi ubone xaba ke kudala nimspeed because kudala nyani ndimxelela ba awuzuza kum awuzufumana umculo kum okanye awuzufumana yonke into ngeplate kum ngenxa into bana nizalana nawo uzahamba ufukula njengomuntu wonke phaphana xa ndikubona uba uready then uzorecorda apho yabo so waza kum azondiqhayisela ngale ngoma and then ndimamele ngoma then there was this guy uThuspa
that was special
so I was like hey kubani obethayo apha athi kumbana hayi nyawuta uThuspa lena wathi ndoni ekuse inswemule out like flow yayo different indlela betha ngayo different uthuspa bunomamelo Armashesha lo we Bignas uthuspa ehleli bona flow yakhe islow kamani but ipholile kam ithi kubani lo qombanga uthuspa lijonga izana le
yekele no rapper kathuspa
ilijoga izana le out ilijoga yafuna record apha ucule apha yonke athi that jonga izana le out buza zana le out uza recorda kumza nephi beats for free immediately uCrazy ngomso waza nothuspa and Marvelous yena he was like hey man out ubone ndiyayibomba because uBonono ukhule phambi kwethu like obhekile omakushube nobani lenzelwa kokwabo pha phezulu so uhlele ekhawushini uyazibukela izinto zabhalwayo yathini so uyazazi ezwe uyazibona so uMarvelous unaye la weba ikuse man out ya man libone out nengqo man mabheka lentwana hey man mayime lentwana yabo
that is
and then ke kwafumanisa lobana sayifaka sabetha nayo ingoma iso right nendo ngenqaba eze nothuspa yabo qombe awuthuspa yabole out indagcwala ngayo then uthuspa naye ndamfaka safaka uZux naye ndamfaka enguMr Right uZux kwabethwa nendo xa uZux waphula apha kuqala ke ukena qombe man andiyazi wa business full waphula apha okay man uza wa business way yena
that Thuspa, what was his rapping name?
Uthuspa
just like that oh yeah, but we'll dish it out on this episode. But you were talking like, well, then he got like what? Then we were like that Crazy after that Paula Nani.
And then Crazy ngeke wazenza nguye yo yamazi.
But it's late like.
I know him. I know he's very good yo. He's very very good.
And fast forward now, dog, I even see like like on Facebook you have like he collabos with like American niggas like I see like you doing that USA shit. Tell us like what's going on like with the movement. They say USA, oh you don't wanna talk like cause you even talk like yo dog my beat is like $, bro. My beat cost like $, bro. But
no man. Hey Priam, I choose yabona klawe on Instagram. Ayikho anyway. Anzuthi ndingcetshwe ngubani okanye thini Instagram. Yabo Instagram.
Connect nabantu nje Instagram. See.
Ku Instagram Tibeno J Hustle pa. Tibano Wise pa. Wise is a American. So Wise ngoqala udibana nami naye. Then he like my beats and then while we understand beats akho into ndamthumela beats yabo. And then wasebenza. Then J Hustle ichomi ka Wise. So uthe uva waqomba okay come into bale out ekhaya. Then lamthatha ekhaya. So yadibana yolo hlobo yabo.
See.
And then uJay Hustle ke gaye didibene nenye out yaseJapan
ngo. Some Japanese shit.
Phela lwana yansokolisa kanjani.
Japanese la yeta.
Yansokolisa lwana imfako itask lwana ifuna bangule eJapan. Sayenza njalo lo. So ngiyixelela kodwa bahamba na Houston na idea yabo. Okay singayenza njani because ndiye nayo research industry yaseJapan. Yabomba okay amanjani yabo. Even umuntu enhlala naye ngamandla kwigang yami OG Styles Marvelous yabo. No Luno. uBlack bona uBlack uphandle apha ngamandla. Dibana naye ngelo xesha qoqa sidibana kuyo saqabukana. Because uphandle apha ngamandla.
But nisabethe umculo ngoke still pull up.
It's just that bana we are waiting on a plan Juice. Yabo.
There's no new music coming. I come you like Mguluza Rodman.
Mguluza Funuza guy specially right.
Rodman was it. I remember there were times like Google shows as needs up Malawi like performance. What happened to that? Like was like most about abacula like it's like Mondero bayenze host show no like but that's mostly like like that Afro pop stuff.
But when I stakes into injena yabo.
Cause I perform like all the time like ngoku like
but ixesha la chinja wena mntawethu yabo and then andifuna ube ngathi di sound ohlobo lento bana ababantu abafuna usiperformela because bacinga ba yabo.
Yeah,
it's just that bana one ayisabalekanga into bana andithi aba bantu babizayo benza lonto andifuni banje
abanzi into yabo yona.
Yeah, because esibabe nchilo ixesha la change. One alisekho ixesha lento bana ngoku uye etavern uyofuna uperforma then ubhatalwe ngecase otywala nangebhotile plus ne 1.5 bulala icareer yakho. Yabo.
I see.
So and then ke okwesibini akho need nobana wenze into ongazo benefita kuyo.
Yeah.
Likhona la xesha nobana man kasibeke ispeaker pipe ake sibethe nje.
Yeah.
Baza abantwana baze nabantu ubone nje uzobukelwa nje sibethe umculo wethu ayonto wrong le.
Yeah.
But ikhona la nto ba hey man exesha ngoku le demand.
I see. Because then calling gigs in his betire, it's not just any gigs. It's like you
so,
are like lolly native.
Yeah, exesha la demand I choose. Demand
some real shit.
Demand camera
yo, demand
music videos ngaqhelwayo. So imagine olono wenza music nololi notive yabo. And then olono I recording ngoma ingana sound quality grand.
Imagine that
music video ngefone edal okanye
eplayer la
yabo.
I see.
Konza come on
Jani
man
dala niyenza lewe
ba kodwa basuka ku video ezine drones okwedini ngoku eGauteng. So and as videos zala ko channel onobana and then go come on bro.
Okay, it's time to level up.
Yeah. Come on bro.
Stay level up no.
And then ke ngohlobo ngalo.
Yeah, anagetha la.
So uyayazi ba okay ngoku ncimi uzajonga ngoku I gigs ezikule level 1. I see. Only wrong of no performer kama board. Only wrong no performer.
As in our going for a performer, I like para charge like. But go you performer. I remember the other time when I host the gig pan and I didn't pokishile pan. A minute that's like I nekwa baba like I don't know, ni like chonga band they're not gonna like my shit, but the talent on stretch. Nenza benesbini when they perform. After say stretch, the only thing I remember is waking up in the morning.
Yes.
Like after that, I don't remember anything else. And I've woken and I said, did I perform yesterday, ba? Like damn it. But yeah, that was my story there. But yeah, like I evaluated I need tired man. I even saw the other gig, Kaloli Native at Queenstown and awesome shit.
Yeah.
I like that shit. But I just want to say I enjoy romance. Have you been like following most UEFA UEFA Champions League. Yeah. Team yam.
Which team?
My team.
Okay,
fit.
Yeah.
I'm strong la way I am. Strong la way.
Funding.
But yeah, like semi-finals, who do you think is gonna take it when in your opinion?
The Champions League.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, man. I feel like Barcelona. Nizodlala Arsenal.
Arsenal ifuneka understand ubana ayilexesha labantwana ngokweni.
Yeah, I heard man.
Like xolo ku fans Arsenal. Must understand ubana ayilexesha labantwana ngokweni.
Alitabi jo.
Ayilexesha lonyoka eli ngoku. Ayilexesha lo Declan Rice eli. Mabame ngoku. Sifuna uTembele thina for final. Ndolungisa into yami noTembele ku final. La vendetta funeka yolungiswa ku stage esikhulu ku final. Not Declan Rice ni.
I won't lie. If we nearly PSG final, I feel sorry for Mbappe. Imagine becimo ze win ku Madrid.
Into kaMbappe ngigqibo ithetha today phakathi uspa.
like
ushiya i-PSG yaqabela ihambi yotsho ngapha kwi-final nakwi-semi-final
yenza lento buyifuna yena
uya ku-Madrid yayisokolisa ngebhadi lakho because unebhadi every team apha hamba kukhona
bona ithi winela
andimfuna umbona ku-Barcelona ndingayiyeka ku-Barcelona ujoin like uba
man, like I feel like like there's too much pressure behind him.
Akho pressure
needs the pressure behind him. Like it's just too famous like yeah bona like it's just
singamaXhosa thina
dali upcoming
inebhadi lantwana ihamba nebhadi apha ihamba khona noba inodlala iManchester United ayiphindi wine nix lantwana
ayizowina maybe next season
yeah sayibona lona yaba Hansi Flick mos yafika ku-Barcelona
ba
ucoach wa-Barcelona
utheni
season yakhe yokuqala le
ya ngcwele
okay kodwa ujonga icup ezingaphi
4
okay
yeah
izabe senjani ke next season Lamine Yamal
makahambe yena Ansu Fati akazodlala yena phana
Ansu Fati akayindawo funa
makavaye Ansu Fati makavaye Ansu Fati but yazi ndoni mina like ngaskiwini Barcelona nokwami I feel like ngaskiwini la but like that don't take Arsenal bone for abanwana la like sanitata like PSG can like any team engacingelanga phela Inter Milan zonke za teams strong nyani like so you never know which one is going to win at this moment.
Inter Milan ngizixakana nayo ngasiyazi le yini
yeah
ngizixakana ne-Inter Milan
evajongola Lamine Yamal nala Lewandowski
andizixakana ibhola edefendayo mna mabayo defender pha Italy babafuna udefend football not ko Barcelona andizuxoxa ne-Inter Milan bayazi loo nto leyo
so leno Barcelona is going to take this shit
yebhava phi SA wena
bon team yami la SA Leichaiwe
so yayibona bayadibana juice i-Manchester United i-Madrid ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-Barcelona i-Orlando Pirates
nawo i-Pirates ne yo sidibana final yeleno Nedbank
under cruiser lupha
hey
yo halo final for Linda Cruiser 3-0 4-0 inside 90 minutes and the Sundowns
yazi ndoni mina like bone like dala Kaizer Chiefs nobichiwe senda qola lawe bona senda khafa lawe man but nethemba ba we going to eat your niggas
idlala ngomzo obichiefs for the chief
nechipa la mizuzo la
qale nilungise yona qani
ansayibukela ichipa lawe ansayibukela ichipa but ke apikase like that man lately who got DJs lawe like do you ever DJ or like bona like abekho DJ be hip hop apikase
yeah juice
like why aren't you in the why don't you DJ bon me resident DJ at charge hip hop like
joga yazi joga I can imagine no bichoviza ngoba umuza stage umuza because kudansa
no ni la yeah
I can imagine crazy no bithinga nabakhulu
yeah
like
uzethi da like
hey Brian uThulani ke kudala sijanja mama ndiye phano practice apha
bona like imagine DJ hip hop sayaz ba we having hip hop hour charge
yini yafuna kanjani
yenze ke mess
cha wena ajusi yazi oko naye kusela oko ndaphuma like into zaphandle apha
yeah
andiyazi kunzima like kunzima noyome tavern kwani like yini ukuthi handi khona abantu nendoni
yeah
kunzima andisayazi into andisenawo la mntu ajusi
yeah
nangoku senda bangulami ngofumanise kubana xa ndilala ilu9 ubetha ndilele so Thulani hama nizafika man bone
za manje champion the Dex mix la like bone lo producer so ezinye way like cause nyabe nicinga la I'm like yo like there's no hip hop DJs guys even though DJ Vish nayo DJ and I hip hop but imagine that switch as ba boom guys like yo that would be an awesome thing like check it out in the future check it out but like in hip hop like USA like who's your Mount Rushmore of e producers like who's your top 4 producers now I would say like okay I'm not into producers but legendary tour like of Pharrell Williams Kanye West and I don't know the other two. But like, who's your top 4 producers right now? Like, when you know what, like, I like this shit. You know, like
Southside, ATL Draco.
Whoa.
Wizzy and Turbo.
Wizzy and Turbo. I put SA, like, okay, we tell you don't listen to a lot of.
No, I SA in the Goku. I respect Mash Beats. I choose
Mash Beats.
I respect him so much. I respect him so much.
Cause mostly at SA being like Zuchi Cook Dog, but you know what, Mash Beats, so like, you know what, man.
Yeah, Zuchi
is still lit, but
and was
Mash Beats,
but Mash Beats him nice
everywhere.
He's doing trap. I choose like strictly trap. Lay trap on the Mamela. You like ngoma? Yeah, you wanna go? Yeah. Because these days mostly the Mamela, Ghana, Mamela Postman Tilo, Taga, maybe a Little Baby, maybe a Future, Mamelo Kuchimen and the whole 10-17 squad. Yeah, well. So no way,
but I see. But number namgulo wako la bamming shit like kon bin memelang mo akumula la tears or mula plus no
Marvelous.
Master Marvelous. I saw that shit.
What Mamela is more?
Bin Mamela with SoundCloud this way like
SoundCloud.
I think SoundCloud and YouTube somewhere there.
Strong.
I look like funny benenze research you know what I mean like
because thina besano vibe aleni ngoma besano footage sound sabukana no ku YouTube no bane le ngoma kanini nilibela kanjalo le video na enye video kodwa yami no Marvelous na nwana ukhulu
like Kulubuza, like have you ever had beef apikasi like
me
never.
No
like
man.
have you ever
emculweni
like beef
emculweni
emculweni
nah not me.
Like what other groups like did you compete with the Lamaklash? I remember there was like FTE plus Nekabecha plus the movement.
Yeah, the problem ngoku asikwazi ukhompita thina naba bantu because siphuma ndawoningi.
See.
So iqhubeka
sizaniyenza nonke
la. Sikhula sonke siyenza sonke so asikwazi ubhifa noCebo sibani because sazala from way back yabo.
Now what did you ever bona bokewa bakhona kweza circles NO4 like were you good with the like the Hartmans?
Uruwa bekena nabukela ke episode kaManero apha. Yeah but uNero mabheka ke shame unlungisa namhlanje hayi wayekhona kula ngoma ndiyazi ingoma I still need you ingoma nani sasi remix sasi recordele usimbongile bla 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 nento noMandero naye khona kula ngoma kwathini. So I was like oh nyani at Marvelous ndithi ke mina ke oh okay no Uruwa didibana naye njani ngolhlobo leno bana ngoku ndiyoqalisa ukwenza lena pha ku Maslaki Uruwa uhlala pha kula area. So Uruwa mina ndimazi ecaweni because ecaweni umama wakhe wayama nomama ecaweni yabo. So Uruwa ithanda udlala keyboard sometimes pha so ndiyamazi ba okay ngumuntu we-chords uyakwazi udlala i-chords umni beat ndiyenza ngecomputer yabo like ndicofe la way tintintinti yabo
yenza pattern
obhekile ndibenze la way yabo. So yena wafika sithi ayenzwa le way beat ufuna ukudlala full chord yenza olhlobo and then in exchange umna ndamfundisa trap music ba yenzwa le way beat trap because Uruwa ayisenza nje ibeats nje ze boom bap hip hop London but ifuna ukwenza trap. So I was like no nansi trap yenzwa le way nansi recipe yabo then yena wanibonisa chords bazenziwa njani
so then exchange la
otherwise angiqalanga na umculo Uruwa ungidibene naye kudala ngicula mina like kudala nisemculweni in fact yabo
akudala semculweni man. I used to see you growing up like ndikubone uyaphaka sisnori la uyiphethe like ibag a laptop and stuff like ngeshonga la ngincela clash number I think I was 8 years old ndihamba kasisnori kanye like
because I choose 2004 angiculi mina angenza music angikacingi ngikwenza music. There's nothing 18 obana amasenza music it is not dancer qha
dancing we
and then 2005 go April nge 27 sai America ne dancing qha not music
Dibonile on your bar, you said like you went to like USA,
not 2004, my G, 2004. And get some music, and get to music, and go on the beat like
USA.
After going to Buege again and again, USA 2006. Ulapho ke ngokuthina si creator khona i-alligator.
Been to the USA.
Hayi in the dance.
USA, but yeah, like imagine like zangina like few people have been to USA warmer.
Yeah.
And you're one of them, maybe you're number one like but
abakhona abantu baphesheya no.
And the bars like they've been let do such a man like but elexesha like zanu pizza in his creator ngo Fruity Loops ne. Fruity
Loops for.
What are you using right now? Science Fruity Loops.
Yeah. And that's been pin and change just.
Yeah. Fruity Loops ngolile. Lagaga lenza Fruity Loops jonga. You I respect that nigga. Umnenamda was about to better beats but I can't like telling that thing laptop was like I just can't make beats like.
So that's okay beats. Okay, pizza Peter's phone there. Goma Melingoma Sam.
Yeah.
Ngoma is producer. I think Nengoma's gas for if I'm not mistaken. So Kanga Zekum by him to Balewe. Mamele Ingoma Sam and then
because it
man was practicing a parkway, man was practicing a parkway up until Natibana Nai. Tibana Wamna, one Kalela, Amantamna, a piece in his phone.
Yeah.
The different Natibana now. I like piece in this phone.
Yeah.
So the inspiration like ngosken mamele wena komba yani ndoni.
I see.
But okay piece mnani mthathi like ba ngo a student or whatever what out here like big
okay piece like
so is in the yamna different.
Go ban is beat like I don't know a lot of beat makers that perform like like would you like recommend like maybe other like the beat makers like yeah who like who's the other shits matala basically right now like abavuma yeah or you don't want to get into that
no mna kancinga ngo
K
Luno, yeah, but Luno is not full time and
yeah, that's better beats now.
Swilo I was a beat select. I think.
I guess I better select.
Nah, I don't think so. Bano
Wheezy, there's a Wheezy.
Nah, man, I don't know Wheezy. Splash now, yeah, Splash is kind of good though.
Yeah.
Splash, you Splash.
That's Splash one.
Yeah, Splash, you Splash, yeah.
Namna ingo magata Splash la but collect alta Splash la.
Yeah, Splash la new town flavor in faith. Yeah, so yeah, so Splashy. Unso mama sing man. I can put the Splash back like top 3. KP Splash nabani yabo.
I remember the other time like you know what 2019 2020 waje zanrapa la we bone like I was releasing bone like umculo. So I was sitting man, you should come to me like your recorder pack home la and no. I'm man like I'm scared like yeah bona that amanzoza man and city amanzoza and apangazi la
yeah I chose
you don't remember that time
no ndakumuona also ngalo it's like ne
then anxiety la you come here just superstars is the man like
I've been looking for like different from Marvelous.
Yeah.
Yabo. Sayibeko lo hlobo. Because nguye umuntu ensebenza naye ixesha lide.
Yeah.
Oh mandithi ke play Marvelous yonga lamculo. Yabo I've been looking for out a different like, yabo like yenza trap like Young Thug, Wise, Ghana, little people. Yeah, so I was like, hey man, Stacks, yeah man. And they playing on my own and evil. But I was like, yeah. Bona ke ngoku. Yala pe woma lena kodwa yeah.
When he listened to our songs.
Yabo. And yeah man, ngana ndiviso umsiyana yabo. Adana ziso ngani kodwa. So I was like, yes, hey. Ikrel man le out ngibani utwana ngustacks no. Okay.
Masi yeah.
Ifuna man le out la we yabo. Can sebenze nayo. Then I met with Enye out Dave Tilap, I'll choose. Jesus.
Yo.
Oh, he's very good.
Yeah, phela phi wabona?
Nah, yes, a Portal Fred.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, a party Portal Fred.
You have inye track yakho nayo lawe.
Oh, Villa track.
Yo. Yeah, but Dave Talab.
Dave Talab, yo.
Away. Asiyo, lanwana it sounds so like clean, imnandi, like smooth, lawe. So like because I come here, let me do some research, like hit that shit.
Yeah, Dave Talab and out the yo la out the so it's very good. It's very fucking good. So na yo Dave Talab na in the Saswana na in Sena connect na but Dave Ben Kabele is I think East London with business call yabo. So na manung lamdu la we patela out here. But Dave Talab a problem na yabo is because of abantu abaninzi they don't understand the music.
Yeah.
And then abantu abaninzi abamove team because of uthethela kuye.
Yeah.
Into eqala kwamdibanayo la out dathatha la ngoma ikhola ngoma Lil Mama Drama yamnayo. La track like ku Instagram still.
Yeah.
Instagram abantu bengayazi ke Instagram qho ekseni around 1 o'clock 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Umuntu omninzi uba live. And then like babambalwa abantu aba connecta nababantu.
Yeah.
Producers ngolo. I radio stations ase USA as like ezinye as underground endone. So ndanithanda ke mina ke ungena pha ekseni.
Yeah.
Into ka Instagram choose like ukuze uxolele bana ubonakala into bana like ndandi qomba yehajonga ndi addictive leyo kwakho izipalmo seze light street apho kwakuxhonywe into iNMB non connection non iWi-Fi kudalana noba companies
yabona where did it disappear la
yazi ekseni mina ngo 2-3 benimapha ehangeni di connect business no Instagram live esuku ngachaya izone ndincokola nekaka fonini Mozela kaka foni ngombe foni ngisemini ngapha awenza nonqo foni ndiyatshani mephandle oneseni la afoni nako khandi mehangeni ibambile andatshaya ento ndinxibe ikap la way ibambile ndiconnect ke so bensenza lana sometimes
yeah
so ngoku ndifumanise kinobana layout ke ngoku ngokole ke una lamajida le radio station apha yabo to ama nansi email thumela apha and then ezoyiza usadlala to tonight midnight no zongazi ke no ingatsana tathu dithi bendingene pha idlalo lengoma asas bonela no Brown Qoma eyivalo iyencazela yazi mfethu inenike chills ngamandla qho kansive ezwela wezize noba ndivibiti yami idlala phesheya Street Beats Masambe wethu
Street Beats Masambe
bola theka Bango chills la wenqomo yes the way it is Xhosa ngapha kolwandle Street Beats Masambe and it's a studio
who came with that shit like Street Beats Masambe like Street Beats Masambe joy tag ngolile leyana itag
I just la tag
neng Street Beats Masambe
funny how I just besano thela ngala tag nini
Street Beats Masambe
last week or the weekend I think so ngingu crazy ubaliso story sala tag yabo la tag dayifumana komnye umntana wasemnyameni
mizuzu
jani
that's some Rick Ross shit like let's go like yo
jani leba besine show emnyameni so masemnyameni show iqala ngo12 and then 6 ngo6 kusasa yaphela yabo so thina siyakulubusta RIP yabo so ubusta unendlu yapha kuye yabo fumanise kinobana and ke ukusihamba sonke no OG styles nobani apha no two spa nobani yabo no crazy nabantwana ke yabo cabakho abanye abantwana apha abangamakhalati yabo hey dinekama amasima njani ndimepha ke mina ke nomnye umntana I think no crazy yabo iyawuthi zamzime kyangcolwa zaphikisana ndiyanoba ngeManchester nento ubonelana ngeMosina Xoka sihleli sathana ke no OG style uphikisana la weba iManchester because iManchester enkulu yabo so iManchester swaka kwathi ngoba lo mntana hey man chayiwe lena uthetha ngabantu Street Beats Masambe wethu yabo asiyama nyani because igama lami nalamnana ndazi ningu Street Beats yabo so Street Beats Masambe wethu bona bachayiwe abantu bayeke crazy ngoma ya pop crazy la we kombe ngo fandini itag yakho lena sebenzisa le tag ngoma yefoni njani fonini street beats masambe wethu iteke yakho le yepizza yakho qomba awuxoki boy
makiye
now ke woku bear in mind that you sibandi shiya lamntana emnyameni lamntana ngumntana wecolored like uthetha ngeaccent yesikhaladi isixhosa so ubona like ithetha kamandi
that makes sure
but ngoku ndafika phoma ke ngoku nqobenza yeza njani we fuck man yes
street beats masambe
and then phuma pha kusiviji yabo asiphuma pha qede nobongiwe noqhaya khona umntanza mbona manje pha ku Facebook ufamous too much walapha eWoma naye yo ngobongiwe bongiwe zaf
street beats masambe
zamasingena apha kusivikile nendona ehanya singene pha ndijonga ndinguye noBlair ndijonga ndifuna qha wena uthi apha emic-ini street beats masambe wethu uyeke uhambe kule nabuya kuyo yabo hanyala mntana wathanda nje itake ezi-3 mntana because wayisoyika naye thatha le isithathu hano ndathi hayi grand
street beats masambe wethu
so ever since then I just ndayigcina la uyiphathi uyayazi uba la mntana wekhaladi lona nifumene kuyo lawo wasweleka phaa emnyameni
but yeah atsho this is the first episode I'm drinking lean on, dog. I'm not a lean man, but this one I've been sipping on lean, dog. But sayibona banjani la
sipping pink in
sipping on that pink, sipping on that pink. Otherwise, Rotman, I just want to say thank you for pulling up to Emotrain all the time live. Thank you for gracing us with the bonus present yakho la the OG asikasi la
Mosha kanjani bathini Disemo train Paula Snake gang ngijim sisembolweni